Hi, I'm Fred Reiss. I work for IBM at the IBM Spark Technology Center here in San Francisco, where I'm the chief architect. We focus broadly on the use of Apache Spark in the enterprise, and there are lots of very interesting issues that come up. Anywhere from how to get Apache Spark integrated with enterprise IT to how do you make machine learning algorithms run at scale. We also have a group that's working very hard on making data warehousing operations work at scale reliably on Apache Spark. A good example of an issue at scale that we've just been working on the last couple of weeks is making some of the transformation operations in Apache Spark scale better with really wide, large data sets. So things like recoding string columns when you have a very large number of distinct values. We've been making these things scale better by better, taking advantage of the capabilities of the SQL engine built into Spark. In the future, Spark is going to need to move forward into new areas of machine learning. You're seeing that a lot with some of the add-on packages like tensor frames and TensorFlow on Spark being added to Spark. But I think as the integration with deep learning gets deeper into the system, we're going to see some architectural changes happening to be able to handle those algorithms at scale with top efficiency. Functional programming is really at the core of Apache Spark. I don't think we would have a Spark Technology Center without Scala, without functional programming, without that ability to ship a function to every node of a cluster and operate on, to perform distributed computation using that function. That is one of the core benefits of Apache Spark. It makes the APIs for programmers so much easier to use, makes the experience of writing a distributed application feel like you're writing an application that runs on one machine. My favorite part about Scala by the Bay is, I almost called it Scala by the Bay there, but the fact that it's such a nice raw new conference with a lot of edgy content. If you go to a more mainstream conference, you'll see a lot of very polished talks, but it's about stuff that was done 1 or 2 years ago. Here at Scala by the Bay, we have a mix of some of that older content, but a lot of newer topics that are just starting out. And it's nice to be able to catch those new projects when they're at the infancy.